Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video let's talk about some of the tips, tricks and some hidden features in the camera UI of the Vivo U20. So Vivo U20 comes with a triple dual camera setup. It has a 16 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel macro lens. And it also has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Now let's open the camera UI. So if you open the camera UI, you can see some really useful options. One is the photo mode, video mode, and if you go to the mode, you can see that there is slow motion, AR stickers, document, then time lapse, panorama, and pro mode is there. Now if you take the pro mode, there is one thing which is not really visible, is that you can take pictures in RAW format. So JPEG from plus RAW format you can take. So in order to enable the RAW format plus JPEG, you need to go to settings, and if you scroll down you can see the professional functions. So enable this option, 16 megapixel RAW plus JPEG. So this means you can save images in RAW format. And the important thing about saving images in RAW format is that you can edit a lot using your custom editing software like Photoshop or other tools. You can do a lot of editing work in the RAW format. So that's one important thing. So you can capture images in RAW format with the JPEG support included in the professional function. So you can enable it from here. Now second option is when you go to the video recording. So if you go to the video recording, going to settings, you can see that the video size, you can select it as 4K, 1080p resolution and 720p. So these are the three options available. You can also see the size of these videos. So right now you can see that 4K, 1080p and 720p all are available in 30 fps. Now if you go back, you can see this is a frame rate. So select a frame rate. Auto frame rate is 25 to 30 fps. You can even go for 60 fps. So 1080p resolution at 60 fps is available. So even 720p at 60 fps is also available. So those two options are available. There is no 4K at 60 fps, but you get 1080p and 720p at 60 fps if you are using this option. So that's one useful tool. If you want 60 fps videos, you can select it from here. Then if you like adding watermark to image, you can just have the customized watermark. Either model watermark or time watermark can be done. Now if you go to the portrait option, so here we have some useful options. If you just click this icon, you can see that filters are available. Apart from that, there is also portrait lighting available. So you can see a lot of lighting options. One is studio light, stereo light, loop light, rainbow fill, and some option monochrome is also included. So these are some useful portrait light effects if you want to add it to your photos. And you can also go with the filters available. So lots of filters are available. You can also adjust level you want in the filter. So these are some options in the portrait mode. Now if you go to the regular mode, photo mode, so here you can see a small icon at the bottom. So just select this icon, and you have three options. One is ultra wide angle camera, second is a bokeh mode, and then we have the super macro mode. So super macro mode takes advantage of the 2 megapixel macro camera to take extreme close-up images. So we have taken some really good close-up images. Only thing is that the colors were slightly off, but the details and sharpness levels are really impressive on the super macro. And then bokeh is something which we have seen. If you want to take background blur, you can go with the bokeh mode. And wide angle camera, that's ultra wide angle camera. Now we are using the ultra wide angle camera, and you can also zoom in the ultra wide angle camera. So these are the options available in the photo mode. Now you can also do zooming here. Up to 2x is supported, and that's the option to zoom the photos. Now if you want to rearrange these options, so you can see that portrait, night mode are available here, and few other options are available in the mode. So just go here, edit this option. You can drag and rearrange. Say for example, if you want a pro mode, just drag and make it here. So photos and videos are available there. You cannot change those options. Night mode, portrait mode, and other options can be added. Now we have added the pro mode. Click done, and you can see the pro mode is added here. So that's how you can customize the interface if you want to have a pro mode or any other mode which you use quite frequently. And if you want to remove a particular mode, this is how you can do that. So these are some useful options in the camera UI of the Vivo U20 with the triple rear cameras and This also has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. So that's the tips and tricks and some hidden features of the Vivo U20. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.